So friends, these are all the radishes, beautiful red radishes. There comes variety of hundred of varieties are there radishes, and if you want to grow in container, you can easily grow. Good morning friends, I am Surya Gowal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Passion. Today friends, I will be showing how to grow radish. This is a excellent vegetable and you can grow radish in your cans easily in your home, in your terrace or any place you want. You can grow this radish, and these are the seeds of radish. And just have a look, they are making the soil preparation. Radish needs very soft soil, so they around 30% coco peat, 20% compost and 50% garden soil, and that should be very fine soil, very soft soil, easy soil, so that the radish can grow very soft. These are the soil for radish, and I am showing these are the seeds. And have a look, just they are making the preparation of soil of radish. Soil preparation for radish, and around 30% is taken the coco peat, 20% compost, and the rest 50% is garden soil. They are mixing oil for preparation of soil for radish. That is, we will be growing them in pots or cans. So this they are getting ready. And I am taking out these are the seeds of radish, and now I am sowing the seeds here. And for the first time sowing the seeds in a good number of seeds, you have to sow this, and later on when the seeds germinated, then you can sparse the seeds by removing and uprooting some of the plants. So this is the method of sowing the seeds here. And now covering with the same soil mix, I will be giving a cover of around 5 millimeter cover, so that all the seeds are covered, properly covered. Now the seeds are all covered. And now I will be watering. Don't water it much, water it very lightly. Only 1 inch layer should be watered, and the rest of the area should not be watered at all. So these are all the method are totally complete. And let the seeds germinate, and after seeds are germinated, I will be showing you all the updates of this video. These are all radish seedling, and I will be in second pot. These are all seedlings of radish, and special kind of leaves you can see, around 1.5 inch tall. Welcome back friends, after 15 days of sowing the seeds of radish. This is the situation of radish plants. You can see lots of plants have germinated here, and they are around 5 inch tall. So all the plants are 5 inch tall, all the seedlings. Here in the second pot you can see these are all the seedlings. Now as you can see, lots of plants have grown, and I have to keep here 5 plants in each. Here I will be removing some of the seedlings here, and this is the leaves will be used as a leafy vegetable. In some mixed vegetable you can use, in some curry or some mixed vegetable you can use all these leaves, and they are very delicate dish you can make out of this. And rest I will be keeping here 6 to 7 plant seedlings I will be here, and 6 to 7 I will keep here, and finally we will keep 3 to 4 plants I will be there to make radish. So now I am pulling it out from here. You can see these are the seedlings. I am taking it out, and I will be using it all in kitchen. So these are the weak plants I will be removing from here. All the weak plants I will be removing from here, and just keep only 4 to 5 seedlings I will be keep here. So I am pulling it out, and I am taking it out all, and then I will be come back again. Just I have thinning it all, and just spaced all here. I have removed, pulled up all these plants here, and just kept it here. These are all the leafy vegetables I have collected. I will take it to the kitchen. I will be using it in my vegetable or in some vegetable mix, and let it grow for 5 to 7 days. Again I will be making some of the spacing. I will be pulling up 2 to 3 plants here, and finally I will keep 4 to 5 plants here. Welcome back, friends. After 10 days, these are the radishes, all are grown, and 10 days back I have removed some of the uprooted some of the plants. Now I will be removing some of the plants again. So I will be removing the extra plants here. So I will keep only 5 plants here. All the healthy 5 plants I will keep here. And these plants you can use as a leafy vegetables. You can use the leafy vegetables. I am thinning it out. I will be keeping 5 plants only here. So these are the all plants, and I am removing here also. So these are the all plants now. Thinning is done. So almost these are done. So let it be there, and use this as a leafy vegetable here. So friends, now I will be covering with all the soil. So I will be keeping all the soil at the base of the plant. And this is the time formation of radish at the base. So this is the time to putting some of the soil here. Friends, I have covered all the soil here, and now time to water it. So you have to cover now the time to formation of radish underground, and let it be there, and I will be giving you updates after 10 days. I will be showing you how it fares.
This is the present condition of radishes after 35 days of sowing the seeds, and now I have kept only around 5 plants in each pot or container, and these are growing very well, and let it grow. I'll show you the updates. These are all radishes. Now radish has formed here. Another pot I am showing you. Not much thick, but
Welcome back, friends. After 2 months of sowing the seeds of radish, these are the now final radish I have grown here. Just left 4 to 5 plants here in each of the radish here, and you can see now I am going to harvest some of this here. And after 2 months, and you had a look all this video here, and just I am taking out here from here. And if you keep the soil soft, then the radish will be grown. Thicker radish you can get here, and this is the radish. You can see these are the nice radish. So this one, and now you can eat it up, all this radish. So these are the all radish here, and you can grow here all your radish you can get. Just I will be washing here and getting ready for eating. So these are slightly thinner one. These are not properly developed yet, and it will take around 2 months for growing all your radish. And there comes different varieties of radish are here. You can grow, and these are the radish. Let it wash it properly, and I will show you later on how to use it. Thank you. So friends, these are all the radishes. Beautiful red radishes. There comes variety of 100 of varieties are there radishes, and if you want to grow in container, you can easily grow and just ask for the seeds that are suitable for container. These are the all radish, and if the soil is very soft, then the radish will be much thicker. So this is all about how to grow radishes in your containers, on your pots. This is very easy, and you don't have to care much of this there, and just grow in your container, in your terrace, on your balcony. So this is all, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the various flowering and foliage plants and all various vegetables also. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.